Welcome back, everybody. What is today? Come on. Okay. It's broken. That's what day it is. It's broken day. So we'll just set the cruise. Oh, I can't read it. 29th today. Close that down. Yeah, we're gonna call this the 29th of June. Ugh, it's almost July. I live in Ohio. We've literally lost a whole month of summer. I don't know what happened. It got hot and then it got cold, and then it's been cold, and then we have the Canadian wildfire, so it's just like this haze. And today's not bad because we finally got some wind out of the south to blow all the smoke back up in Canada, eh? But yeah, it's not cool to miss a whole month of summer. I've been in my swimming pool once, and it was to clean it, not even to enjoy, you know, getting in it. Craziness, I'm telling you, craziness. So I'm out on the old Spyder. I just got back from a trip to Tennessee, and you know, if it wasn't for the rain, but they had a low pressure just sit over Tennessee, right where I was, and it literally rained every single day I was there. The best day was the day that I left, and there was still rain, but it was a good ride, and I got all the roads done that I wanted to ride. And then I came home and I got to work, and I haven't been on a Spyder since. So today is Thursday, tomorrow is Friday, and yeah, I was taking a ride. I don't care, taking a ride. So this is Big Pine in the Hocking Hills. It's a wonderful little road. It's kind of set back, not a lot of traffic, a lot of trees, so it's nice and cool. Today is probably one of the warmest days we've had in a long time. All we need is like 4 or 5 of these consistently, and I'd be happy. But we get one, and then it gets back to cold and a high of 66, and it's like, I like that. Little pop-up camper just out there by that creek. Heck yeah. But yeah, this is a gorgeous little road. Burned down house. Some really pretty properties down through here. You can just see yourself just sitting and enjoying. Big old right here, man. Dang, tell you what, have I been on that road since they paved it? I think I have. Look at this. People are in the creek. People are boating. Huh. Why am I not in my swimming pool? If people are in the, did I call it a creek? The pond. If people are in the pond, why aren't in the pool? Yeah, look at that little house. I just love it. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Deck on the back. I don't even think I've ever even noticed the deck on the back. Pretty wicked. Now let's see if I can actually make a turn. But I think that's what I enjoy doing now. I come out here and I just, well, I almost didn't make that turn. Oh my goodness gracious, what is going on? But no, I come out here and I just look at all the property and how cool it would be to, you know, have a little spot like that where you can just chill. And if you haven't noticed, I'm all about chilling lately. It's you know, sometimes you just got to really look at where you're heading and just kind of stop. I want to stop and ride my Spyders. Oh no, we got a straight section. What am I gonna do? I need to get this old thing out here and start exploring some of the smaller backer roads. That's just a gorgeous property right there with the cliff and the log cabin. And I don't know if that's a rental. A lot of these cabins are rentals, so you can rent them for the day, the night, the weekend, the week. Be cool. Would be cool. So my Tennessee trip, man alive, that was a trip getting down there. A ton of rain, and I was coming, I don't know if I was in Kentucky or if I was in Tennessee, but it was right in that area. And you climb up big old hill, mountain, and it's just 4 lanes across, and you know, drop-offs on either side. And I was like, I just don't want to catch rain in that area. And of course I caught just a ton of rain. And I mean, there was enough rain that cars were wrecking. So I was doing like 35 miles per hour. I couldn't go any quicker than that. Anytime I tried, the Spyder would just start hydroplaning with the front wheels, and it was quite unique. There's a beautiful log cabin up there. It is just gorgeous. You know, so I just did the best I could, and I got through it. And you know, I've never experienced that Spyder in the rain. And what it would do, it would feel like it would hydroplane one of the front tires, but just one of them. So the one that was hydroplaning, it was easy to then overcorrect, and the Spyder would head that way. And then that tire would regain traction, and the other one would hydroplane. So it was literally, the bars were walking back and forth on me. It was quite unique, and I've had that happen now twice on my last rides. The first ride, I was just going out to see if I could take a long ride, and I ran into the rain. That's a common thing with me and Spyders anymore. Anytime I take a trip, rain. So that one, it did it. This time it did it. So I think it's time. I think an alignment will help that thing out a lot. So I need to get that thing down south and get it aligned. And then I guess find some rain and ride through the rain and see if it fixes it. See, there's a little road. It's the Bishop Road. See, I need to do little roads like that. It's just, you know, it's been tarred and graveled in the past, and it's not gravelly anymore. It's just, you know, an old back road. Love it. So on that, I think I'm gonna let everybody go. It's hot. I'm talking in my helmet. My helmet's hot. I'm full of hot air, I guess is what that means. So I'm gonna let everybody go. I'm gonna vent out my helmet. I'm gonna listen to some tunes if I have service. And I'm gonna head on home. I got a ton to do yet. So I'm glad you came with me on this crazy thing after work, with the craziness in the head and the words that don't quite come out right. And well, they got a new roof. I think that one's a rental. Boom, boom. Yeah, we're coming up on 664. 664 is a mess. So I'll let everybody go. I'll let everybody go up here at the stop sign. I'm gonna get on down the road. Okay. Got it all taped off. And if you haven't noticed, yes, squirrel, squirrel, squirrel. So I will see everybody down the road.